What if I told you there's a single spot on your body that could be a total game changer for your vitality? And what if unlocking its benefits only took 1 minute a day? I know, it sounds almost too simple to be true, but stick with me. We're going to explore the science and really the ancient wisdom behind this powerful idea.
Look, this isn't some new fad. The core idea we're talking about today, this 1 minute promise, it's actually rooted in principles that different cultures have known about for centuries. So let's break down exactly how this thing works. Just let that question sink in for a second. I mean, really think about it. Could a simple 1 minute massage really restore blood flow and bring everything back to life? It's a pretty powerful thought, right? And it completely challenges what we've been told about getting older. To really get this, we first have to bust a huge myth. So many guys just accept that after 50, maybe even 40, that certain performance issues are just, part of the deal, an unavoidable part of aging. But what if that's not the real story at all? Okay, here's the big shift in thinking we need to make. Age itself isn't the enemy. The real culprit, the thing we can actually do something about, is chronic tension in the pelvic floor and the poor circulation that comes with it. Honestly, understanding this one thing changes everything.
The best way to picture this is to think of an old rubber band. You know how it gets? It's stretched out, it's tight, but it's lost that snap. That's exactly what's going on inside your body. After years of stress, or heck, even just sitting at a desk all day, those pelvic floor muscles get tight, but they also get weak. They lose that responsive snap they used to have.
And this tension, it isn't just a feeling. It has real physical consequences. It can literally cause blood vessels to stiffen up. It can compress vital nerves, and of course, it slows down circulation to that entire area. So what's the result? Well, sensation starts to dull, and things that used to happen naturally suddenly take a lot of effort. Or maybe they don't happen at all. This is the root cause we're going to target.
But here's the really good news. This is not permanent. By releasing all that built-up tension and getting circulation going again in one very specific spot, you can essentially reboot the whole system. And this spot, well, it's been known for centuries in traditional medicine as a gateway to vitality. So the spot we're talking about is called the perineum. It's located right there between the scrotum and the anus. In some traditions, they actually call it the $1 million point. That's how important it is for vitality. And you'll know you're in the right place if you feel just a slight tenderness there.
And here's the thing that makes this so doable, so accessible for anyone. We are not talking about some complicated hour-long routine. We are talking about 60 seconds, just 1 minute a day. That is all it takes to start making a real, noticeable difference. Okay, so how do you actually do this? Let's get practical and break down the 60-second routine. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to make this simple, effective, and super easy to just fold into your daily life. All right, here's the whole routine, step by step. First, you find that spot we just talked about. Easy. Second, get comfortable, sitting, lying down, whatever works for you. The main event is applying gentle but firm pressure for just 60 seconds. Using a little bit of warm oil can make a huge difference, trust me. And then finally, just pick your time. Morning, evening, doesn't matter. Just make it a habit.
Now you might be wondering, okay, how much pressure are we talking about here? This is the perfect way to think about it. Press with the same firmness you'd use to check if a tomato is ripe. You want it to be firm, you want to feel it, but it should never, ever be painful. That's the sweet spot right there.
Now, for the oil, you've got a few great options. Castor oil is fantastic. It's known for deep penetration and really boosting circulation. Coconut oil is another great choice. It's gentle, it's antibacterial, and there's even some interesting research that suggests black seed oil can support testosterone. But here is the one pro tip that applies to all of them, and you don't want to skip this. Warm the oil up a little bit first. It completely enhances the experience. Okay, this right here is a really critical point to remember. With this practice, consistency is way more important than intensity. You don't need to overdo it. The real magic happens when you make this a consistent, daily habit. Seriously, 1 minute every single day is so much more powerful than doing 10 minutes once a week.
But the benefits here go way beyond just physical performance. This practice can have this amazing ripple effect that touches on your overall quality of life, your confidence, and just your fundamental sense of well-being.
And look, I get that this might feel a little awkward to some of you, but I really want to be clear. This is not strange and it is not shameful. This is about taking control of your own health. It's just a practical technique for restoring function, dignity, and a sense of freedom in your own body. Let me just share a quick, real-world story. There was a 62-year-old man who started this simple, consistent practice. After just 3 weeks, yeah, of course he saw improvements in sexual function, but that wasn't all. His chronic hip pain that had bothered him for years, it vanished. His bladder control got better, and his own words summed it up best. He said he just felt like himself again. I mean, that's the real goal here, isn't it?
So please, don't let the myth of just getting older define your vitality. This shows us that a small, consistent action has the power to restore not just your body, but your confidence. It really leaves us with a powerful question to think about. Could your greatest strength be just 1 minute away?